Natalia, what are you doing?
Detective DC at your service.
Detective who?
DC at your service.
What does DC stand for?
Don't know.
Oh. Yes, Talia is doing epic dress-up day for some reason on July 4th. What's on your shirt?
Fire truck.
Uh-huh, and does that have like the American flag on it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you can see that.
Is that because what are we celebrating today?
4th of July.
That's right. And how do we celebrate the 4th of July? Food and fireworks. Yeah.
We're making deviled eggs for my mom's picnic. So we're all in charge of something. Randy's in charge of peeling the deviled egg.
I can destroy something, that's for sure.
I'm in charge of taking these bad boys, cutting them in half, and putting the yolk into here. And Mr. Cohen is in charge of destroying the yolk.
Yeah, it's very yolky.
It's very yolky. He means yucky, but he made a joke, a really lame one, yolky. I think Papa will like that joke. There they are, getting ready to add the yolk to them.
She's still recovering from this crazy 4th of July weekend. I think it's time for a nap. Oh yeah. Don't forget your chips. Alright, me and Brody are making a special trip out of the store. We're getting a couple things for tonight. Since it's 4th of July, we're getting sparklers. Might be about it. I might get one more thing.
Daddy, I don't have a shirt that says sparkler. I mean, July.
That's okay. It's the right color. Spider-Man's red, white, and blue. He's patriotic. Alright, so we're gonna go get some sparklers. And everybody else is bringing other stuff. So sparklers is our gig, so we gotta go pick up. I'm gonna try and pick up like multicolored sparklers. I know I saw them last year. All right, bud, what'd you get? You got a bag full of stuff? Yeah? Look at these fireworks. I bet those look like a lot of fun. What do you think? Should we get one? Yeah. Nah, not this year. Maybe next year. All right, it's time to get going. All right, we got our stash. We got plenty of sparklers for the kids, for the older kids, for the younger kids. And a special one for you guys.
What are you guys doing? Yeah, they wanted to hold hands. Isn't that cute?
Oh, yeah.
He loves his baby sister.
So if you're watching this video from a different country other than the United States, we are celebrating July 4th today, which you probably know is the Independence Day for the United States. So it's a lot of getting together with family and friends and having a good time. So that's what we're doing here. It's also remembering things like troops and people that fight for our country. All right, Joel. So on this decidedly American holiday, what are we doing to celebrate?
We're having some yummy baked beans.
Uh-huh.
Some
Deviled eggs.
Deviled eggs.
Which Julie actually helped make, and you guys saw earlier. Actually, the kids helped make that too.
And can't miss this. Well, watermelon.
Chips, watermelon.
Hold on.
What do we got? What do we got?
This is the best of all. Sticky, gooey buns.
Sticky buns. Which is basically like a Cinnabon, but homemade and fresh.
We have red, white, and blue fruit.
Of course.
And Mom making the chicken outside. You have to. Family. We got our family recipe from my dad's side of iced tea. Yum. Sit right there. Right where Kellyanna is. We're about ready to get a picture for Instagram for July 4th. So cute. Well, that went well. I will work with it because that's what you do when you have four or more kids. You work with what you got and you just be happy with it.
What? Kellyanna, what is the matter? What is the matter? So what's the matter?
She wants bacon.
And you didn't give her a piece?
I gave her a piece. She wants more.
Oh. Is that what you call a bacon fit? Ooh, and there's the chicken. Looks good to me. What do you think, bud? Does that get your approval? Oh, do you want a little piece of bacon?
Right here.
Oh my goodness. Is that better?
Do you want
Is that all better?
bacon? Do you like bacon?
You are a crazy girl. Bacon makes everything better.
And this is what I was gonna say to that. She must be my husband's child with that. He has a love of, she has
Do
his
I like
love of
bacon that much?
Probably.
I mean, who doesn't like bacon? I mean, I like bacon, but I don't know that I warrant throwing a fit over bacon. We barely even have bacon. We have bacon like 3 times a year. You want apple juice?
Well, you know what? She can eat.
Okay.
Did you enjoy the sticky bun? I would say so. Look, there's the hands, there's the arms, and there's the face. She is in sticky bun land. Okay, you wipe yourself. I think this requires 2 wipes. I didn't get enough. Oh, it's swim time. There was dinner, there was sticky buns, and now there's July 4th swimming. Although it's not that nice. It's like very cloudy today. Very cloudy, not really any sun. Kellyanna! Kellyanna! Look at mommy. There she is! Are you playing peekaboo with me? And Italian and Savannah are doing stuff with the GoPro. In the meantime, Randy's relaxing on a kid inner tube. Randy's the caboose.
Push this train.
All done swimming. We got kids lined up, all wrapped in their towels, in like a little cocoon. Like a little cocoon. They're in a trance. Hello.
They're not that impressive, are they?
No.
That's all right. We got some real fireworks that sit on the ground and shoot 5 feet in the air. Sir Dumps a Lot. It's a dog that craps ashes. How cool is that? Sir Dumps a Lot has arrived. Okay, let's see the dog. The dog. No.
Look,
Whoa, he must have had some hot chili.
dog's pooping.
Oh man, he really had to go. Man, that's some spicy chili.
Oh my gosh, that was gross.
I did not see that coming.
That's how I feel after wing night.
What are you doing?
Yeah, man. I got my bling bling.
I'm speechless. You got your bling? Your glow bling?
Dude, man.
You know what to
You can't
say?
afford this.
You know what to say?
Get on my level.
I know, that's like $4 worth of glow
I'm
stuff.
taking your wife.
You know what? He was supposed to
That's
get.
your sister, you're
wait,
weird.
crap, yeah, that's
He was supposed to get this for the kids, and they think it's funny.
Well, he is a kid, so
No, but
it makes
they,
sense.
They thought it was funny that he's wearing glow sticks everywhere, and none of the kids have them yet.
Wait, there is a
That's about right.
Out here,
That sounds about right. It's about Jeff Steve. Tall, white, and awkward, ladies and gentlemen. Go subscribe. All right, Savannah, you ready to see the crapping dog?
Yeah. You gotta go ask someone. Talia, it's fun.
Here we go.
Guys,
You're gonna go down below.
Stay back. Oh, it's pooping. That's great. Sir Dumps a lot really had to go. My word.
Oh yeah, he does. He has
Whoa.
More left.
Kaliana, are you ready for a fireworks show? You want to see fireworks?
Are you scared of fireworks?
Yeah, probably. Look. Watch out.
It's been real. 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 It's been taller and backward. It's been taller and backward. It's been taller and backward. Family for real. Family for real. Family for real.
And on that note, give a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not already to see more of this fun family and joining our family. And until next time, guys, it's been real.
Well, that's life. Take what comes along the way. That's love. Let it grow stronger every day. There's joy as the days go passing by. There's hope, a better life for you and I. We'll take our dreams and fly. Together we can try. That's life.